Hi guys, my name's Kurt from Zombie Gaming. That's my channel. So since Halloween is coming up, so we're gonna make a special video because it's Halloween. It's kind of a holiday, but not much as a holiday. But we'll decide what to do, and it might be late because I go to school kind of early and then kind of the afternoon. So yeah, I'll just let them decide what to do. Just gonna leave the song on. Goodbye. If you like this video, watch this special video too. Bye.